Hello. Let me introduce you to the Master Series Aquarium Light. Let's start with boxing. From this beautiful packing, we have a toolbox that you can put directly in your aquarium. User manual and alimentation shell. The second possible hiding kits. Of course, we have Light, who is the gorgeous jeweler. There's really everything. Direct installation. Let's try it now. With the adjustable stand. When the controller connects to the MIICMOL, the light effect can be adjusted at will. Now, let's see the effect.